tapos anong kailan. Sure. Sorry sa itong mic, sorry Miss Nat.
And Jody, confirm ko lang multiple characters. Multiple characters kami.
Multiple characters ako dito. That is something na kailangan ko. That's for you to find out.
Okay, kasi sa based on the trailer, parang
may alter.
Oo, ganun eh. So, yeah, I wanna know yung mental preparation mo sa aspect na yun. Kasi you were saying, you don't use your personal life as
In your previous horror ba, Mars, may mga multiple characters kanina like Tarita, what's the other one?
Maria Leonora Teresa, pero kwento yun ng mga dogs.
Isa yan, di ba?
For this one, yung part ng mga naging preparations ko for Untold is of course yung research na napaka-helpful ng mga insights na binigay ni Direk. Kasi syempre, yung mundo na ginagalawan ni Vivian Vera, hindi ko siya mundo. I also asked for insights from my journalist friends, paano ba talaga yung mundo niyo dyan sa loob. Kasi syempre, lang ako kumbaga viewer lang ako nakikita ko lang yung mga trabaho nila, pero hindi never kong alam kung what's...
As Judy Santa Maria, nakikita mo lang.
Okay. So, kailangan ko yung mga insights nila para lang din makadagdag ng layers doon sa character, para mabuo mo siya.
Well, for JK, may I ask, what was it like working closely with Jody? Siyempre, hindi man ka...
Actually, ang casting, Juan Carlos, kasi nung una kala ko kapatid, kasi you're too young. Tapos nakita ko na pala yung pelikula, napaka-supportive. Naging kayo.
Hindi naman. Si Jasper kasi basically yung character ni Jasper, merong huge crush kay Vivian. Ganun lang siya basically. But I feel like the love interest really lies between Joel and Vivian.
Mas sila?
Yeah, mas talaga.
Oo, kasi junior cameraman mo siya eh, di ba?
Actually, direct.
Ano ba?
Bigyan na guluhan
Baka ibang...
Dinay mo ako.
Yeah. Grabe.
Ang cute. Sige.
Pero yeah, mas ganun talaga. What I feel naman, I feel really lucky kasi I mean, it's one thing working with someone who's really good, but it's another thing working with someone that's also that you can learn a lot from, and especially on this project, I was really surrounded by people who I learned a lot of different advices and wisdom from, and I would definitely do it again, anytime.
Miss Nat kasi di ba, we all know him as a concert performer, pero siguro this must be real special kasi tinanggap niya, di ba?
First horror ko rin so gusto ko yung experience.
Did you like it?
Yeah. And what have you learned? What have you learned about acting dito? Sabi mo nga, you learned a lot.
Well, wala naman ako masyado natutunan. Pero na-enjoy.
Baka wala.
From Jody.
Sakto. Wala. Pero, but genuinely though, I mean, it's really the experience. Kasi iba-iba yung atake ng bawat genre, I suppose, the treatment, the approach. So, with a horror film, iba rin yung paglatak ng mga bagay-bagay, yung pag-shoot ng mga eksena.
So, sa teleserye, bida ka na rin naman with Angela Villantes, di ba?
So, parang medyo other side of the coin situation. I really enjoyed it.
At least, you get to tinitake on may mga ganyan challenges sa Juan Carlos na pwede ka parang gumawa ng mga sinawalang pelikula or, di ba, Miss Na?
Yes. Si Joem na I'll ask Joem, working with Jody.
Parang may ambag ka naman, di ka sa amin tao.
Oo, tawag ako ng tao dito sa likod. Wala akong ginagawa. Untold.
Yeah, any untold stories about working with Jody?
Wala. Hindi naman kasi lagi ko siyang partner sa mga movies. Yung katulad ng sinabi niya sa Maria Leonora Teresa, ako din yung asawa niya doon. Yes, tapos sa
Pwede ni Direk Wende Ramos kasi, di ba? Direk Wende.
So lagi yung magka-partner ni Jody. So wala akong mga untold stories. Siguro yung mga kabataan kami, madami kami mga kwentuhan. Pero yung mga ngayon, happy ako na nakita, nagkasama kami dun sa journey namin sa buhay saka sa industriya na alam mo yun, napabuti. Hindi kami napunta sa mga ibang bagay na hindi ka nais. Bagay. Hindi, syempre, dito syempre ang dami namin pinagdaanan ng mga kabataan namin dalawa.
May
So,
mga fair share kami.
may mga fair share kami mga kwento. Pero now, yung nga pag nagkukwento kami sa set, iba na yung pagkakwentuhan namin tungkol na sa mga anak, tungkol na sa hindi na lumalabas. Before kasi, syempre, yung mga kwentuhan, saan ang susunod na party, saan ang susunod natin pagkikita after ng premiere night na yan, saan tayo makikita. Mga ganun. Pero now, it's a happy, alam mo yung kahit horror yung ginagawa, yung mga kwentuhan namin tungkol sa buhay, tungkol sa mga di sagad na kaming dalawa sa mga nagawa namin sa buhay. So, we're happy.
Yeah.
Ngayon, nasa ano na kami, feeling ko kay Jude sa pagkukwentuhan namin sen, nasa ano na kami, stage na kami na sobrang at ease na kami, sa kampante na kami kung ano yung meron kami.
Ganun dapat yata yung mga ano na. Wala nang dapat patunayan na sa actors. Di ba, Miss Nat? You're good? Go ahead, sure.
For Miss Gloria Diaz.
You.
Mom, what's your birthday wish?
When is your birthday? Akaalis na pala niya, April din.
Yeah, maybe know your birthday
wish? Ano kaya?
for yourself. For,
Health, wealth, and time to spend it.
Sarap.
Diba? No, but actually, I don't have any birthday wish in truth. I don't even like to celebrate my birthday, but
May mga ganun.
for 28 years, I eat out every night. So my birthday wish maybe is maybe we can eat at home. Can you imagine? For 28 years.
Wow.
Name me any restaurant. Kumakain ko sa
Kumakain ka.
Because my children are all gone. I mean,
Yeah.
Belle is in Hong Kong, and my daughter Ava is also married. My son is still there, but okay naman, it hardly comes home. So every night I'm out, so I cannot think of a birthday party or anything like that. So my birthday wish, I wish, I'll be healthy. Kasi ganun daw yun pag 74, you have to think of health and stuff like that. So,
Grabe, don't do 74. Parang
it's the plastic surgery I
Never had
decided.
Actually, the reason ang na-happy ako kasi yung pagiging hands-on producer ni Sir Keith, ang dami niyang ginagawa kasi he's exposed internationally. Sir Keith, what else can we expect? Are you going to say something about, kasi you know naman the reach of Jody globally, Juan Carlos, you know na mga pasasabay namin ni Miss Yu nasa abroad na, di ba? What can we expect in the next coming, in line with the promotion and exhibition of ng Untold Turkey?
Yeah, so as you all know, Untold is premiering on April 30 in the Philippines.
30 in the Philippines, okay?
But it will also have at the same time, a worldwide premiere. We'll be partnering with ABS International and the Filipino channel to make it happen.
No wonder Mike, ABS International is here. Sir
Yes,
Mike, no?
papasign na ng contract so
Oh my God, no wonder he's here! We are showing globally! Yeah.
hopefully manonood na ako ng movie para makapunta kami ng Disneyland.
So, ibig sabihin, may California, kasi may Disneyland. So, oo nga no, kasi I've been on this one. Sa California. Okay, that's good news, Sir Keith. So, in the next coming days, we will announce with every single detail ng global showing natin.
Yes, more details to come.
We're getting our visa.
Why not? Nako, mukhang mag-give way yung yung mga cast natin. Okay, we are down to our last 1 or 2 questions more and then one question. Kasi hindi ko alam na notice 5 o'clock na pala. Okay, who would like to? June Lalin. Thank you, June. The earliest bird today. Thank you, June, for your questions.
Yes, yan. Good afternoon.
Thank you, June.
Pero congratulate ko muna yung Untold cast kasi kakagaling na nila ng Cebu. According to Russell, talagang grabe yung pagtulong sa kanila. So, can you tell us, pwedeng pakwento, Joey, about your Cebu promotion experience?
She hardly nag-promote siya pero dito kasi gusto niya.
June, sobrang was an amazing experience, no? Kasi ang tagal ko bago nakabalik ulit ng Cebu, siguro yung Cebu pa dati, parang pre-pandemic pa. And, you know, yung mararamdaman mo talaga yung warmth and yung support ng mga kababayan natin sa Cebu. So, nagkaroon kami ng radio tour, meron din tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng mall show, nagkaroon tayo ng FanCon, nagkaroon tayo ng advanced screening doon.
So, Cebu people were able to watch it na?
Actually, only a select few. So, meron na rin mga nakanood, puno yung cinemas, and then nagkaroon din tayo ng advanced ticket selling doon.
I saw that.
So, we're just grateful for the support na in-extend sa atin ng mga Cebuano. Kaya daghang salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Mga followers na ni Junalin yun.
Yan, Jody, yan, syempre nakita mo yung excitement, yung reaction nila. How was it?
It was also kasi the first time na napanood ko yung film. So minsan, parang nakahati yung utak ko sa panonood. And alam mo yung parang nandun din yung tinatry mong tignan kung paano na-affect yung viewers nung napapanood nila. And nakakatuwa lang kasi nakikita mo how they were affected by the film. Nakikita mo talaga yung sigaw nila and then may tawanan sila. And yun lang, kumbaga alam mo na meron silang naramdaman doon sa film.
Siyempre, yan. So, mas lalo ka na-excite
Na-excite ako.
Sa movie.
Of course, kasi syempre, di ba, parang tayo naman sa industriya, kahit paano, alam natin na pag gumawa tayo ng isang proyekto, we give it our all, di ba? We give it our best. Hindi lang tayo, pero yung buong village kung tawagin ko. Of course, us actors, the team, the creative people. Yung pinakamagandang reward kasi na nakukuha mo is yung kung makikita mo yung reaction and when people come up to you and tell you that ang ganda ng film, nakakatakot yung film. So parang para sa akin na okay, worth it yung oras, yung effort, yung pagod, yung panahon na nilaan mo para doon sa pelikula.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Miss Flo,
It's you for you.
Si Miss Flo Kente.
Yes.
Tita Flo, syempre, ibang klase. Gloria Diaz. Sabi nga, Gloria Diaz is Gloria Diaz. Yeah. Tita Flo, favorite ka ni Direk mo, napansin?
Yes.
Parang
I am his favorite. I'm sorry, Jody.
Lucky charm ka niya.
He told me. No, I'm joking. No. Yes, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy that he always thinks about mayaman, mahirap, multo, manananggal, whatever. Kaya ko yan.
Kita ka, ang sarap mo, pag yung talagang kahit ang tagal mo na sa industriya, talagang hanggang ngayon yung importance talagang nararamdaman. Even in this movie, talagang Miss Gloria Diaz, hindi nawawala.
Yes, and you know what is the worst thing any person on the streets can tell you?
What?
Lumalabas ka pa ba sa pelikula? That's the worst thing they tell you. Or lumalabas ka pa ba sa TV? Di ba? Parang, ha? Kahapon lang nag-shooting ako, hindi mo ako napanood or something. Kasi as you get older, they think you should just retire. But sabi ko nga sa kanila, wala kang magpelikula ng puro bagets or puro teenagers. Kailangan medyo may mayaman or mahirap na medyo may edad, di ba? So, we are all very much, and I'm just wondering, ilan pa pang meron my age today?
Nag-iisa ka na pumasok eh.
Nag-isa na lang yan ako. Thank God.
Pero Claude, sabi ko, Tita Claude, yung wala rin mga kalaban.
Nag-iisa na lang siya.
Thank God!
Hindi kasi may area lang diba?
Nawala na to yung mga kalaban. Hindi, pero Tita Claude,
Thank you,
pero yan, Tita Claude, in fairness to you, nagmamatter ka talaga. Kasi parang kahit anong gawin, sabihin mo, talagang nagba-viral eh. Even yung si Miss Universe, Armoni, di ba? Magkasama kayo, pinag-usama, nag-viral. Everything, yung mga sinasabi mo, nagba-viral. Importante, nagmamatter ka. Yun, gano'n ka-proud, ka-happy na. Yun, up to now, even after your 1969 na renowned ka as Miss Universe, syempre yung
Thank you, June.
Publicist na publicist talaga si June Dali. LBD.
I'm still the publicist of LBD.
Correct.
Thank you.
With 30 PR accounts.
Hindi, pero ako, what do you call this, excited ako.
Halata.
Sa mga kwento lang ni Miss Rosel, grabe, di ba? So ngayon pala, congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you, June. And with that last question from June, we'd like to thank